Jails and prisons, a correctional facilities comparison. Jails and prisons are two of the core components of the corrections system in the United States. Both are used to house individuals who have committed criminal offenses, but there are distinct differences between the two. Jails are correctional facilities typically operated by local law enforcement and are used to detain people awaiting trial, sentencing, or transfer to a state or federal prison. Prisons are also correctional facilities, but they are operated at the state or federal level and house people convicted of more serious offenses. The most noticeable difference between jails and prisons is the length of stay. Jails are short-term facilities, and inmates are usually released in weeks or months. On the other hand, prisons are longer-term facilities, and inmates typically remain incarcerated for years. This difference is reflected in the types of inmates housed in each facility. Jails are used to detain individuals who have committed minor crimes, such as misdemeanors or non-violent offenses. Prisons are used to accommodate individuals who have committed more severe crimes, such as felonies or violent offenses. Another paramount dissimilarity between jails and prisons is the level of protection. Jails are commonly less secure than prisons, as inmates at jails are typically awaiting trial or sentencing and have not been convicted of a crime. In contrast, prisons are highly secure facilities, as inmates have already been convicted and serve longer sentences. As such, prisons employ more restrictive benchmarks to keep inmates in line and ensure the safety of the team and further inmates. Despite the disparities between jails and prisons, there are likewise some similarities. Both disciplinary facilities are utilized to confine individuals who have committed crimes. Both supply basic conveniences such as food, clothing, and medical care. In addition, both jails and prisons employ correctional office holders and other staff to guarantee the safety of inmates and attendants. In summary, jails and prisons are both correctional facilities that detain individuals who have committed criminal offenses. The critical discrepancy between the two is the length of stay. Jails are also less secure than prisons, as inmates at jails typically await trial or sentencing and have not previously been convicted. Despite these differences, both jails and prisons provide basic amenities and employ correctional officers and other staff to ensure the safety of inmates and staff.